just staying in the shop. My dad surprised me with this door. Looks good. We got a lot of work to do on the other side, so let's get to it. We're not gonna mess around today. Let's get to it.
Okay. Paging Mr. Do This. Let's do this. Here we go. Oh. Well, that was substantially easier. Now we just gotta get a pliers and pull that out of there.
It's now loose. Let's get it off there. Gotta hold it closer.
Don't hit your fingers.
I'm gonna hit my fingers.
Hit it harder. You gotta keep hitting it.
Yeah, I do.
Watch out, that door might fall on you.
Okay. That's just scare me. This is literally the only one that's holding it in.
Yeah.
Okay.
I took the clamp off too.
Probably wrong way.
All right, it's off.
Not even curvy.
Let's swap this door. So what's gonna happen now is the strongest person in the shop, right there, is gonna pull that door off, and I might help her put the other one on. Well, everybody got their tickets for the struggle bus? Let's get after it.
Gotta find the right position.
Yep, there you go. Just like that. Yeah. So just set it down behind you, or bring it up here. Bring it up here.
I gotta get a different.
You literally have a big handle on it right there at the top.
I know.
Lean it right up here on the front of the front of the car.
Sorry, didn't mean to do that, but I don't want
All right, Peyton. How many doors have you taken off in your life?
that one.
First door, you guys got to share it with her.
Yay.
Well, I suppose I'll be nice and help her put that other one on. That rusty. All right,
Yay.
I'm gonna get that door on that thing. So Peyton will get this set up and I'm gonna get over there.
All right.
Anybody want to buy a Model T frame? Because it's kind of in my way. This rusty visor too.
A hammer always works.
In case I need it. I just want to get this one pin in. Kinda. Well, not really pin, more of a screw that I found laying around. Look at that, it's in there.
Hey,
Sorta.
hey, at least we know it fits.
You guys see that? Someone knocked it off. Terrible. Just terrible.
Struggle bus time.
I had my ticket yesterday. I got first class today. All right, maybe it'll stay on there now.
Do you need me to help?
No.
Okay. Are you absolutely sure?
Yep. Where are you gonna stand?
Just gonna
Exactly.
hold that on. That one doesn't want to go in.
Nope. But
Hammer.
love tap. Little love tap here and there.
Yay.
Now, well, it closes ish.
That's good.
So there's that. That's the thing.
Yeah.
the doors aren't going to close perfectly until we get... Oh, actually, that was pretty good.
Don't even need the clamp.
I need the clamp because
Well,
we got to keep closed in case the wind comes up and tries to blow this thing away.
yeah.
I don't have it insured yet because how do I insure junk?
It's not junk, it's just a troublemaker. That's
Peyton,
the name.
get a close look in at the door. Completely the wrong color.
That doesn't matter.
Let me know tell us what you think, Peyton.
Inspection is good. Well, my hands are hurting, but that's good.
Well, what do we got next? Now that we did this, what's next?
Put the body on it, on the Speedster, right?
We got to take that one off
That's what I mean.
first. Because, you know. So we're kind of going to pause on this one? Is that what you're doing?
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, Peyton. Now that we've got the doors replaced and I got the hood off because
More hot roddy.
it's very hot rod. So let's walk around a little bit. What do you think? Let's go right back here. What do you think of this corner of the car? What do we got going on?
Definitely gotta fix some of the dents.
Arco, you got any hammers we can borrow?
Exactly. Bring all of them. Just bring all 5 million.
Yeah, no kidding. It looks like, what are we going to do down here? Oh, I'm in the shadow. The shadow knows what we're doing. Well, I don't have a patch panel. We're going to have to figure out how we're going to fix that though, huh?
Yeah.
We do have, is this the spot we have a patch panel for?
Yes.
We have one for here?
Both sides.
Okay.
And both sides. Yeah.
Oh no, it's up here.
Oh.
We have the upper one, so we'll have to figure that out.
Oh,
We do need, watch your,
sorry.
we do have to do the top. And I don't know, that one, we might wait till we get it on, or we might not, and just do the structure. We'll have to figure that out. All right, Peyton, so let's walk around here.
I'm following you.
Are we using that radiator and grill?
Not.
No, because we got a good, do we have a good one?
Yes.
Okay. We're not doing a bumper, are we?
I think I kind of like this thing though.
You want, well, we can try to get it off of there and put it on that car.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down here. What do you see down here that we got to do?
What is this for?
That was where the running board went. What do we got right here? What's this one? Oh, that's a little scrunchy spot.
Patch panel?
We'll have to do something. We don't have a patch panel, but we'll have to figure it out. Hey, what number's going on here?
72.
72. Yep. So what do you think of the doors being different colors?
It doesn't really matter. I think it kind of suits it.
Okay.
Because it's funny. Ow, what's wrong with that?
What are we going to do here?
Fix the steering wheel? Uh-oh.
Maybe this part where the windshield is.
Put this windshield on it.
We're going to put that glass in there?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I want to do expanded metal in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
Well, you know, down the thing.
Glass or expanded metal?
Expanded metal, or it's back there, or I'll talk to my buddy at Daryl's Auto Glass. By the way, if you're up here, your windshield breaks, Daryl's Auto Glass. You got to check him out. Travis is a super good dude. Known him a long time. Oh, what do we got back here? Oof da. Got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's like a dip right there. It's like a crease in the middle.
Maybe we'll have to pay Arco with a big red to come and do that.
And got some
Other stuff? Okay. And we got the floor. So, cool part is, Peyton and I got the doors done.
Yay!
Those are for sale. Some fenders are for sale. Peyton's not for sale
I know.
yet.
What?
We'll see when she turns 14.
You're still a child.
All right, Peyton. What's your favorite part of this project so far?
Learning.
Learning? What have you learned so far?
How to do doors.
Yeah. So, what are you looking forward to? What's coming up on our project? What do you got? What's something you really want to do?
Definitely paint it. I think. I'm not sure.
We can't afford to do the body work and paint.
We could at least do flame.
No.
Flame stickers?
All right, Peyton. So you're standing next to Troublemaker. What are you looking forward to the most doing on this project?
Definitely the body swap
Me too. I have never done one.
and learning how to shift in it.
Oh, you're going to learn how to drive a manual in that? Well, I'll tell you what, if you can drive that manual, you can drive anything. All right, so we got Honest Peyton and a hot rod.
Troublemaker.
Well, hopefully we don't have to keep calling it Troublemaker, but while it's a project, it's certainly going to be. But for now, Project Troublemaker it is. Oh, hey, did I tell you guys? I got a 6-volt coil. It's like brand new. Actually, just send me an email. I'll mail it to you or something. Maybe we'll put it in the box of the 1,000 subscriber thing. All right, Peyton, you know what I'm looking forward to the most? I'll show you. Oh, there's that.
The floor?
Doing that rumble seat and making it work. That and trying to figure out how this top goes together, because I have no idea.
Parts delivery. I'm gonna start with up there because it's there. My dad didn't like this air cleaner, so we got a new one.
Boom. I think it looks better.
We got a battery tender for a 6-volt system, like this one has.
Because we didn't have one. We had two 12 volts, but no one with a 6-volt option.
And then we got a dipstick for Clyde because that one is wanting to fall out.
That tube, I checked the oil after we drove it. That tube came right out. So we just had to replace it.
Then we got a transmission pan gasket because my dad didn't like the other one.
I didn't like it. It looked too flimsy, so I got a silicone one with a steel core.
And then if you guys are wondering what we're gonna make the top out of Troublemaker, it's gonna be drop cloth.
So we got this at Harbor Freight. And there's the part number 38109. I don't have my glasses on, so hopefully I got it right.
38109, yes.
Cool. So the best part, we still got more coming.
Yay.
I'm excited.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on racing. Have a great day.